Let's make some funeral potatoes. In a hot pan, you want to add about 4 tablespoons of butter, then add 1 large diced onion. You're going to saute those onions until they are just softened, and then you're going to set them aside. In a separate bowl, take 32 ounces of hash browns potatoes that have been thawed, 1 10.5 ounce can of cream of celery soup, 2 cups of sour cream, 16 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese. Freshly shredded is the best. The onions that we sauteed earlier, and some salt and pepper. I'm using about a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper. Next, you want to give everything a good mix. Make sure everything is combined completely. Next, you want to put your potato mixture into a greased 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Spread it out evenly. Make sure it touches all of the sides. Next, take 4 tablespoons of melted butter and add it to a bag with about 72 Ritz crackers. This will be your cracker topping. Now you want to distribute all of your cracker topping evenly over top of your potatoes. Next, you want to add that to an oven that has been preheated to 375 degrees. You want to cook that covered for 45 minutes and uncovered for 15 minutes. When it's ready, you can add some dried chives just to give it a little color, a little decorations on top, and then you're ready to eat. Full recipe will be listed in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!